Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. One more assignment related to the missing value. Let us first of all, uh, let us see whatever the information is given in the statement. Information is that except for Sunday, the average rainfall for a week was 10 centimeter. It means in this week Sunday was not included. Due to heavy rainfall on Sunday, the average increased to 15 centimeter, from 10 centimeter to 15 centimeter. Then how much was the rainfall on Sunday? So let us start. Let us write down whatever the information is given. Number 1, average rainfall for a week is equal to 10 centimeter. And for a week except Sunday. Sunday is not included in this measurement of 10 centimeter of rainfall. Sunday is excluded. Then total number of days in a week is equal to 7 minus Sunday is equal to 6 days. Or excluding Sunday is equal to 6 days. So total rainfall during 6 days is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60 centimeter. Now, due to heavy rainfall on Sunday, the average increased to 15 centimeter. And now, total rainfall for the week, including Sunday, is equal to, this is 15 centimeter. And total number of days is equal to 7 days, because Sunday is included in it. So the total rainfall during 7 days was 7 multiplied by 15, 105 centimeter. And our question is that we have to find out rainfall on Sunday. This we have to derive. Rainfall on Sunday is equal to total rainfall during 7 days minus total rainfall during 6 days. So we will subtract the rainfall from 7 days to 6 days is equal to 7 days rainfall for a week including Sunday. 7 days rainfall. This we have estimated 105 minus 6 days rainfall, that is 60. So this will be equivalent to is equal to 45 centimeter. So the rainfall on Monday, that was 45 centimeter, is equal to 45 centimeter. So in this way we can calculate the missing values. So do subscribe the channel to see such type of more technical sums related to the calculation of average values. Because all the arithmetic mean is related to average values, calculation of average values. So do subscribe the channel to see more technical sums related to arithmetic mean. Thank you.